Good morning. Outside my hotel. It's kind of cold today, but this just does not suck at all. It's really pretty, even though it's gray and cold. We've got a great view of the water coming up over here. Some ships in the background. Wow, it's really, really pretty. Alright, breakfast time. I've never had fried pineapple before. That'll be interesting. Spanakopita, poached eggs. Yum.
Still, you know, for their estate wines, we'll age them 12 months still. But you know, in Nemea there's 3 zones in Nemea, and they make you know, a fresh style, you know, kind of like a Nouveau Beaujolais, but without carbonic maceration. And in fact, back in the years ago, they didn't think that IUU could really make a you know, full-bodied, age-worthy wine. But in '97, Paskevopoulos and Papaioannou, these guys started making, you know, more extraction, lower yields. Yeah, it's the co-op of Limnos.
Actually, back.
The fortified wine